The ConairMAN Mustache and Beard Trimmer for men is much more than that. This is an all-purpose body groomer. You can cut your back hair, your chest hair, your leg and arm hair, and that's exactly what I do with this thing. It does not give nicks anywhere. It's just an excellent, excellent body groomer as well as what it's advertised for, a mustache and beard trimmer. Um, and sometimes if I'm in between haircuts and I have a little hair around my ears or the mustache area, you can shape it up so nicely with this, really get such a professional look. And of course, it comes with a whole series of different little guards and so forth. And whether you're going for that kind of like subdued, subtle professional look, or whether you want to go out to the club and do something really crazy with your hair or your facial hair, this is for you. It's so versatile and I've used it all over my body. Never gotten any nicks with it anywhere. It's really friendly all over the body. So I kind of use it for off-label purposes. I'll groom my chest hair with it, my arm hair, my leg hair with it all the time, and it functions so well for that, just as a body groomer as well as a beard trimmer.